Alright guys, I'm under a manufactured home, so doing our thing under here, kind of tight. Found something I want to show you. Let's take a look. So there's a lot of moisture under this home. I don't know why, something must have leaked. So we're trying to find the source of it. I haven't found it yet, so maybe it's an old leak, but it's pretty wet under here. Moisture attracts termites. There's termites. And back up, you can see, so they go straight up in the air. Right here, that's actually a termite tube. I'm going straight up, trying to find a source of wood. So make sure you get your termite inspection. They haven't reached the house, doesn't look like yet, but they can make their way up there. So we're here, we're gonna keep going on investigating. We're here to provide first-class service, first-class home inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclassHomeInspections.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.